How to play Silent Night in the style of Ludovico Einaudi. How to apply his minimalistic approach and his creation of atmosphere to your improvisation. In this lesson 3 of this mini-series, we will discuss two very important techniques to bring emotions to your improvisations. The first technique, tempo. The second technique, dynamics. If you missed lesson 1 or lesson 2, please check them out to get the basic techniques. You will find the links to the lesson 1 and 2 below in the description. By the way, my name is Martin and I'm here to help you to learn the language of piano improvisation. Okay, let's talk about tempo. Tempo has a strong influence on your improvisation, so use it in two ways. First, define the base tempo of your improvisation. First, let's play Silent Night slowly. Or you can play faster. Okay, I think you noticed. Playing in different tempos results in different emotions. This is very important to understand and to learn. You can vary the tempo to add emotions and a movement to your improvisation. So let's change the tempo. Okay. Before we go to technique 2, I have a gift for you. I summarized my improvisation experiences in a simple guide. I call it 4 Steps to Improvise Stunning Emotional Piano. You will find some important notes there on melodies and how to combine them with other aspects of piano improvisation. You can download this guide for free. It's for you. You will find the link below in the description. It will help you very much to learn the language of piano improvisation. Okay, a second technique, dynamics. I know you know. You can play your improvisation softly or loudly. So use it to bring color and life. Have a listen. Let's play this way. Or play this way. Okay. And go back to play softly. So, I will play the whole improvisation and I will apply different tempos and dynamics. Maybe I will overemphasize the dynamics to demonstrate the power of these improvisation aspects. Have a listen. Okay, don't forget to download your free guide. This will help you very much to live the treasure of your musical gift which is in you. Okay, I will see you in the next lesson. Stay tuned.